Our top stories this week. 56th grade students explored Museum of Discovery and Science on April 13th. 8th graders explore historic lighthouse through maritime learning. On Brainwave, learn about testing strategies you could use this testing season. Plus, stay tuned for more updates and reminders on Scoreboard and Shark Bites. All that and more right here on Wave Makers. Confidence, creativity, commitment. Making waves the PBMA way. I'm Brandon Nagstar, and join us as we bring you closer to the actions and stories happening in our school community.
So don't forget to stay tuned as we bring you stories that matter. This is Caleb Batista, and you're watching
Wave Makers. PBMA 6th grade students embarked on an educational field trip to the Museum of Discovery and Science on April 13th, gaining hands-on experience and deeper insight into science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. The visit offered students an immersive learning opportunity beyond the classroom, allowing them to explore interactive exhibits, live demonstrations, and engaging displays designed to spark curiosity and innovation. Throughout the day, students eagerly explored different exhibits on space exploration, environmental science, physics, and engineering. One of the highlights of the trip was the museum's IMAX experience, where students were reminded of the beauty of nature and their role in protecting and preserving the environment. Also, many were particularly excited about the aviation and space displays, as well as the hands-on engineering challenges that encouraged teamwork and critical thinking. Teachers and chaperones noted that the experience not only reinforced classroom learning, but also inspired students to think about future careers in STEM fields. In addition to the educational benefits, the field trip also fostered collaboration and social interaction among students, as they worked together to solve problems and explore exhibits. The excitement and engagement were evident throughout the day, with students asking questions, sharing discoveries, and fully immersing themselves in the experience. The Museum of Discovery and Science continues to be a valuable resource for student learning, offering programs that bring science to life in fun and memorable ways. For these 6th grade students, the field trip was not just a day out of school, but a meaningful journey into the world of discovery and innovation.
On April 17th, PBMA's 8th grade students stepped beyond the classroom and into history as they explored the iconic Jupiter Lighthouse and Museum. The field trip brought the Academy's maritime-focused curriculum to life, offering students a deep understanding of navigation, coastal history, and Florida's rich seafaring heritage. Throughout the visit, students climbed the historic lighthouse, gaining first-hand perspective on how it once guided ships safely along the coast. As they ascended, they connected classroom lessons on maritime navigation and geography to real-world applications. At the top, students observed the surrounding waterways, discussing how lighthouses serve as critical tools for sailors long before modern GPS technology. In addition to the climb, students toured the museum grounds where they explored exhibits highlighting early Native American history, pioneer life, and the development of maritime trade in South Florida. These interactive experiences reinforced PBMA's mission to integrate hands-on learning with academic instruction, particularly within specialized maritime programs. Teachers emphasized that the trip aligned directly with ongoing lessons in history, science, and environmental studies. By engaging with authentic historical sites, students were able to think critically about the role of maritime innovation in shaping communities and economies. The visit to Jupiter's Lighthouse not only enriched students' academic knowledge, but also strengthened their appreciation for Florida's coastal identity, an essential component of the PBMA educational experience. Meanwhile, let's check out some of the highlights from Ms. Williams and Ms. Bellacock's classes.
This week, we're highlighting the different testing strategies you could use in your upcoming state testing. Let's learn more about this with Sophia and Kenzie for Brainwave.
Hey Sharks, welcome back to another episode of Brainwave, where we break down strategies that help you think smarter, read stronger, and learn better. I'm Kenzie.
And I'm Sophia, and this week we're going to be talking about testing strategies for success.
And as we know it, FAST or state testing season is just around the corner. This is the time where students start feeling the pressure building up.
Whether it's reading, writing, math, or end-of-course exams, these tests can feel overwhelming, but they don't have to be.
Exactly, because today we're breaking down how to ace your test with the right mindset, strategies, and habits. No panic, no burnout.
Let's start with mindset. One of the biggest mistakes students make is saying, "I'm bad at tests."
That's not true. A better mindset is, I can improve with preparation and practice.
Confidence doesn't mean you know everything. It means you trust your preparation.
And remember, your brain performs best when you're calm and not when you're stressed. Cramming the night before? That's a trap.
Instead, use short, focused study sessions over several days. This is called spaced learning, and it actually helps your brain remember longer.
Try this. Review your notes for 25 to 30 minutes. Take a 5-minute break. Repeat with different subjects.
And don't just read, actively engage. Quiz yourself, teach someone else, or rewrite key ideas in your own words.
Now let's talk about the test itself.
First rule, don't rush. Read each question carefully. Sometimes the correct answers are hidden in plain sight.
Second, eliminate the wrong answers first. Even if you're unsure, narrowing choices improves your odds.
Third, if you get stuck, skip and come back. Don't let one question steal your time and confidence.
Feeling nervous before a test is normal. Try simple breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4, exhale for 4. It helps you reset your focus.
Also, get good sleep the night before. Your brain needs rest to perform well.
And yes, breakfast matters. Fuel your brain like fueling success. Testing season isn't about perfection.
It's about preparation, consistency, and confidence.
You've already learned more than you think. You just need to show it.
So go in prepared, stay calm, and trust your process.
And remember, you've got this. That's it for today's Brainwave.
Good luck on your test, and we'll see you next time.
Stay sharp and keep making waves of success with Brainwave. On scoreboard, the girls' flag football team at PBMA won their home opener on Tuesday, 41-12 against the Franklin Boynton Beach Chargers. The Sharks turned defense into offense, scoring 4 touchdowns off interceptions and holding the Chargers at only 12 points in the contest. The Sharks are now 1-1, and as always, let's go, Lady Sharks! The boys volleyball team at PBMA won their first ever match on Thursday in the third set of best of 3. Calvin Clavoyant, Asher Mir, and Didier Haquez were sound on the front line, while Dario Howard was a key server in the match, propelling the Sharks to victory. The Sharks are now 1-0 and will travel back to Somerset Wellington on Tuesday, April 21st, for their next match against Somerset, DBK. Let's go, Sharks! Stay tuned for highlights, game scores, and upcoming matches as our athletes continue to show teamwork, dedication, and Shark pride.
Now, let's dive in and check out the latest Shark Bites with Alexis and Aaliyah.
Hey Sharks, my name's Alexis,
And I'm Aaliyah,
and here are some quick Shark updates. Attention students, PBMA quarterly invites you to one of the most anticipated events of the year, 2026, Junior and Senior Prom. This year's theme is Masquerade Ball, promising an elegant and mysterious evening filled with unforgettable moments. Mark your calendar for Saturday, May 9th at 6:30 to be held at the West Palm Beach Marriott. Tickets are available for only $85, so be sure to secure your spot early. You can see Miss Short for ticket purchases. Remember, it's first come, first served basis. Don't miss your chance to dress up, wear a mask, and dance the night away at this magical night. We hope to see you there.
Calling all 8th grade thrill seekers, Grad Venture is heading to Universal Studios on May 21st. The cost is $250 and only 50 spots are available, so it's first come, first served. Students will get to explore 2 parks in one night, Universal Studios and Islands of Adventure. Be sure to submit your completed permission form and payment to Ms. Short as soon as possible. This is your chance to celebrate with friends and create lasting memories.
Calling all ocean explorers, PBMA is offering an incredible Shark Tag field trip in partnership with the University of Miami Research and Conservation Program. Students will get the chance to experience hands-on shark tagging and marine conservation activities while learning directly from real researchers in the field. It's a rare opportunity to dive into marine science and discover how scientists protect our oceans. The trip is happening April 22nd from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. It's only limited to 18 students, open to grades 6 through 12. If you're interested, stop by room 222 to see Mr. Allen to pick up your permission form. Spots are first come, first served, so don't wait.
Attention middle school students in grades 6 through 8. An exciting marine adventure is coming your way with the Marine Lab Marine Resources Development Foundation. This 2-day, 1-night Marine Lab experience will take students into the world of marine science with activities like seagrass and mangrove ecology field trips, coral reef exploration, and hands-on marine biology labs. Students will even learn about invertebrate diversity and coral reef ecosystems while working with real marine science educators. The program costs $350 per student and includes instruction, field trips, snorkeling gear, dinner, and breakfast. Possible trip dates include April 27th through the 28th, May 11th through the 12th, and May 20th through the 22nd. Interested? See Mr. Allen in room 222 for more information.
Seniors, your big moments are almost here. Senior Grad Bash will take place April 30th and Senior Checkout Day is scheduled for May 13th. Make sure you stay on top of all your requirements as you prepare for graduation.
Mark your calendar, Sharks. 8th grade graduation will be held May 26th and senior graduation will take place on May 21st at St. Lucia's High School. There are major milestones, so let's finish strong. A quick reminder about the 10-10 rule. No passes during the first or last 10 minutes of class. Let's stay focused and make every minute of learning count.
Sharks, remember, all cell phones and electronics must be placed in your yonder pouches during the first period and kept there throughout the day. This avoids class disruptions and keeps everyone focused on learning. Let's stay present, stay focused, and keep our classrooms distraction-free.
Sharks, don't forget to subscribe to PBMA's official YouTube channel where you can see all Wavemakers episodes. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. That's all for today's Shark Bites.
Stay informed, stay involved, and always keep making waves, Sharks.
And now for our quote of the week. Sam Levinson once said, "Don't watch a clock, Do what it does, keep going.
That sums up this week's episode of Wavemakers. Your stories, your voice, our commitment. Sharks, always remember to reflect our shark mentality by being safe, respectful, and responsible.
For more updates, visit us online at PMA's official YouTube and Facebook accounts, delivering campus news with accuracy and integrity. This is Caleb Batista.
And I'm Brandon Nagasar. This has been
Wavemakers.
Thanks for tuning in, Sharks. Have a great weekend.